2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, fog lights, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.